Good morning, everyone. I am Mrs. Amrita Kalur, Director and Head of Kids Concepts America. I live in Chicago, USA. Today I am presenting a paper on Prevent, Protect and Perish the Pandemic. Indeed, it is a great opportunity for me to give a gist of my paper on the current pandemic, which has disturbed the entire world enormously. My paper throws light on this COVID 19 pandemic and its challenges and solutions. We the Indians strongly believe and follow the 60 Samvatsaras. Samvatsaras is a Sanskrit term for a year in Vedic literature. Once all these 60 Samvatsaras are over, the cycle starts over again. These Samvatsaras have powerful effect on life and death cycle. After completion of each Samvatsaras, the living beings have always witnessed the natural calamities like earthquakes, hurricanes, tsunamis, and pandemics. It has been proved by nature time to time. In every 80 to 100 years, the pandemics have threatened humanity to death and destruction. I should say, history repeats like 60 Samvatsaras. Now, COVID 19 pandemic in 2020, I must say the nature is the best balancer. The novel coronavirus initially started as an epidemic limited to China has become pandemic, infecting 200 countries and territories. COVID-19 is the deadliest pandemic of 21st century, is not restricted to one area, but it is impacting every sector of our life like political, economic, social, educational and medical. COVID 19 has taught us the life lessons. It is the high time for everyone to live with the virus by following the strict vegetarian diet, regular exercise, meditation, drinking hot water to build stronger immune system and practicing yoga. Staying calm, maintain safe distancing, being hygienic, avoid shaking hands but follow and the namaskara culture will surely help build the strong willpower to fight COVID 19. I should say, plan the work and work out the plan. That motto should be implemented in our life. We are all living in the world of guesswork, like what will happen in near future, and not be able to decide still how the virus will play with us. And we are just believing on which is broadcasted and discussed in the media channels. Instead, we should consider that this is the best opportunity to upgrade ourselves and improve our health. Let us be fit and have faith and follow Darwin's survival of the fittest theory. Forget about the white collar jobs and the dignity of labor concepts and let us be self reliant and self centered, self employed. Let us all unite together and fight against this deadliest pandemic of 21st century and win the battle. It is the universal truth and the global problem. So each one of us be part of it and learn, prevent, protect and perish the pandemic. Hope my information benefit you all. My sincere thanks to organizers and the team for providing me this opportunity. For more information, you can have a look on my paper. Thank you so much.